Hi everyone. Here's a picture of four high school basketball players, one of them being me, number 11. One of the first things I'm sure you noticed is the one player in the air. You may ask yourself what happened to make him so excited. You also see the player farthest to the left looking up, and he is looking at the scoreboard. The player on the right is looking at the crowd because they are all standing up, and I am looking towards our coach. This picture was taken during the first game of the year my junior year. This was overtime and we had just taken the lead from the other team, and so they called a timeout. This picture shows the intensity, joy, passion, and determination of just four players in a game where each team had at least 12 each, who were on their bench or on the court. They were all most likely feeling the same way that we felt. What you do not see in this picture is the outcome. The other team ended up winning. But I do not think of that when I view this picture. This picture reminds me of how high school was. It was filled with intensity, joy, difficulty, losses, and wins, not just in sports. Two of my best friends are pictured to my left in this picture, so it also reminds me of the good times we shared, even when things did not go exactly the way we had hoped. Moments like this allowed us to express ourselves, and we were able to develop great friendships and camaraderie. I find that this picture brings me joy to this day, not because of the outcome, but because of memories we made in this experience and many more during high school, on and off the court.